Hi, it's Zach here, and I'm really excited to bring you today's deal on the 9-piece SWAT survival kit by iZoom. This survival kit comes with a whole bunch of very useful tools if you get stuck in a bad situation outdoors or if you want to take this camping with you. It has all of your essentials. Now, first and foremost, it comes with this awesome multi-tool. Now, this has a bunch of different things on it, including a pliers and a flashlight, and it's actually spring-loaded and includes a key ring. Now, a multi-tool like this will actually run you as much as this whole kit will cost you if you were to purchase it elsewhere, so you already have an awesome value here. Now, next up, you got this awesome flint fire starter. Now, one thing we want to mention about this is that it has a protective black coating around the bar. You're going to want to scrape that off to get to the silvery part. That's actually the flint. Now, the more you use this, the better it actually works. We were able to start a fire with this pretty easily. It gives off some really nice big sparks. Now, moving on here, you do get some wood cutting string. Now, this stuff is awesome and you don't see it in a lot of these kits, and you can use it in multiple different ways to cut wood. You can use your fingers and run it back and forth. You can put sticks in between the two loops for a little bit more torque, and you can actually string this between a larger stick to make yourself a really cool bow saw. Now, next up, you got this emergency whistle, which is essential for letting people know where you are when you're lost, but this also doubles as a really awesome watertight compartment, which you can use to store matches, fire accelerant, or whatever else you want to put in there. You also get this credit card multi-tool, which you can actually put in your wallet if you don't want to keep it in here. It's super handy. It actually has 11 different tools on here, and they give you a little card that details each one of them. You can also check the site for more details. The last couple items that this kit comes with, you have this handy compass. This is absolutely essential if you get lost outdoors and need to find your position. And you also have this really nice torch flashlight, as well as this Mylar emergency blanket. Now, this is awesome. It's going to keep you warm at night, or you can lay it down on the ground to keep you off of the wet, bug-infested ground. Now, last but certainly not least, all of this stuff actually comes in a watertight case that actually has 4 different buckles on it, and it's also shock and drop resistant as well. It has this really nice foam lining that's going to keep everything nice and secure. Now, we have a fantastic deal on this 9-piece survival kit. You're definitely going to want this for your bug out bag, your car, or all of your camping gear. So head on over to the site and grab yours today.